Hi everyone, my name is Sandi and I'm an accounting major here at UNI. I'm also a junior, so today I'm gonna be showing Olivia how to make a lantern from Sri Lanka, which is where I'm from. We make those during our Vesak Festival. It's a religious festival, so it's really like colorful and like we use it at night to lighten the night during the festival times. So yeah, I'll be showing her how to make one of those lanterns.
So, Sandi, what are you going to be teaching me today?
So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Vesak lantern.
A what?
Okay.
Vesak?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
You did it in one go.
Okay, cool. Vesak
Vesak lantern.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so it's used for a festival, correct?
Yes, it's a religious festival that's coming up in May in Sri Lanka. So we make these lanterns and then we hang them in our gardens, in front of our houses, and then we light them up at night. So the whole country is like lighting up during this festival.
Awesome. So let's get started.
Yeah. Okay. So we have some bendable straws here.
Okay.
And tissue paper. It's preferred if you have colored paper, but we can go with white.
All right.
So open this up for a start. We have to start by making 6 squares out of these straws.
Okay.
So
Oh, there we go.
yes.
All 6 of them have been made.
Yes. Woohoo! Now, I think now is the difficult part.
Now is that wasn't the difficult part?
No. Okay. So we have to connect these squares.
Okay.
Like you get like one corner and like this. 4 of those we have to connect.
Okay. This is alcohol.
It looks pretty.
I know.
You have to cut these.
Okay.
And to cut this, we have like measure. So if you measure like 1 square and cut like how many squares do we have? 6 maybe?
Because there's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 squares, and then triangles we need 8. Yeah.
okay. 6 squares and 8
8
triangles.
triangles.
Alrighty. Let's get cutting.
So we have everything set up, and we just have to now put it all back together.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna be like gluing kind of around the outsides and then placing them, right?
Yeah. Oh, we have to remember one important thing. We have to leave 2 squares empty.
Okay.
So that you can put a bulb inside it if you want, or like light a candle.
Okay.
It's so nice.
Yeah. So we only need to cut 4 squares.
Okay, we were kind of bad at that, so.
I didn't know. So we have everything covered, right?
Yeah. She did it. I'm so
Yes!
proud of you, Olivia.
Thank you, Sandi. Thank you. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, you just covered it. Okay, the final
perfect.
part, the
Yes.
final touch-up would be to get more tissue paper and then like cut them up so they're like
little trains,
yeah.
or like little tails.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So we'll paste them like around here so it'll be like all nice and
Yes. So then do you then put like a string to hang it, or okay?
Yeah, we can.
Very nice. Very nice. So wow. Wow. I'm shook. Wow. I didn't get all the way through. So,
So what you can do is, if you like lift it up.
Yeah.
We can paste it around here, like all the way around here. So I'm gonna glue it. That part, yeah.
Yeah.
And then yeah. So if you want, you can like do more of these to like hang from these corners.
Mm-hmm.
So
We did it. We did it, guys.
look at them.
Whoa! Whoa!
With the bulb. So if you have a
Yeah.
colored bulb,
Yeah, then
it'll
it would
like
be.
colorful and everything.
Or if you had like colored paper, it would be colorful
yeah,
too.
that too. So yeah.
You guys, we did it! Thanks, Sandy, for teaching me how to make what is it? A
Vesak.
Vesak
lantern.
Vesak lantern.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, no problem. I can't wait to hang this at my desk. It's gonna be great.
Yep, you can have you and I written on the
You know me so well.
Thank you for watching this episode of Olivia Meets World.
You can catch the next episode right here on the UNI International Admissions Facebook page. It's okay. Only one Olivia was burned by the hot glue gun in the making of this video.